There is actually beauty in simplicity. Come on, look at this cake. Very simple, but so gorgeous. Hi, my name is Stacy of Teston Bakes and Event, and today I'm going to take you through on how I made this gorgeous, simple graduation cake. I used an 8 inches pan, 3-layer as you can see on the picture, and I trimmed the cake, of course, always. Then I crumb coated the cake, and my student helped me to crumb coat the cake actually. And this is me rolling out the fondant because I am doing a wrapping method covering cake, and I have to smoothen the cake after rolling so that I have a smooth surface. Then here I am attaching water so it helps stick on the other fondant on the base, and this is me closing up the fondant, cutting it and smoothing it so that everything gives. And yeah, this is me trimming out the excess after I've created my sharp edge. And I am cutting off the excess at the top. After that, I am going to apply a little bit of buttercream to allow me stick the board. Then before I take the board to the cake, I had to cover it with fondant, and then of course cut out where the cake is going to sit. And here I've placed the cake on the board, turned it, flipped it back, and here I'm making the graduation certificate. What did they call it? But you know what I mean. Here I was trying to use a ribbon to make the bow for the paper, but it was not working, so I had to just discard it, and then I used a mold. You will see the mold here now. Before then I had to put a stripe, like how you tie your graduation certificate, and this is the mold that I used for the bow tie, and it turned out really beautiful. So just make sure that you mold it clean. And after molding it, I went ahead to cut the one that I want to use for the when you do the ribbon, the one that drops. Yeah, so this is what I did, and then I attach it together. Then I am going to cut out what I will use to design the base of that's the body of the cake. This is the technique that I used. I'm sure you have seen this kind of design somewhere. This is how I do mine. Yeah, there are other methods, but this is how I do mine. And then now I'm attaching it on the body of my cake and putting the design, the rough edges, and then the second attachment. Yeah. After I'm done, I still put the rough edges, bring it out, and make it look really nice. And yeah, then after that, I check it out, and it was given. Then I had to place the graduation cap on the cake, and then went ahead to paint the tip of the design with gold. And this gold was the game changer, because immediately I applied the gold, everything was just popping. See that beauty? Oh my god. Thank you for watching, and make sure you do subscribe, like, comment, share, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye, and see you in the next one.